Yeah, from top to bottom, if you tour the Yadkin Valley, from Caldwell through Wilkes and Surrey and Yadkin counties, the heritage sites are abundant. There are historic structures, there are buildings, there are sections along the Over Mountain Victory National Historic Trail. There are sections that tie to the Civil War history, to Native American history. It's just overflowing with lots of historical sites, which will just make it come alive for you.
There's no better way to experience and learn about North Carolina history than by touring Fort Defiance. It was the home of General William Lenoir, a Revolutionary War hero.
He began construction of this house in 1788. It was finished in 1792, and it's been completely restored to its original condition.
Fort Defiance is a great opportunity to teach people about history. It was like being as close to 1792 as you could possibly be.
So this is going to be General William Lenoir's study. Here is his secretary. It does date prior to William Lenoir in the 17th.
This house was named after a nearby fort built by Lenoir. Its purpose was to protect early settlers against attacks from the Cherokee. Over 6 generations lived there until it was purchased by a nonprofit in 1965.
The house is going to have over 300 original furnishings. Things from his original dining room table to his trunk up in his master room where he kept all of his letters, which are now on display.
The fort's other objective is to serve as a learning center for students from across the region.
We have a lot of school kids come through here regularly, and they don't get a chance very often to actually visit and step back into the 1700s.
So during our school history days, we have demonstrations like surveying, musket demonstrations. We also have military, having the kids be military for the short period of time, basket weaving and different things like that.
What does rope making have to do with the Revolutionary War?
Sites like Fort Defiance are so important, and we have students here today that are learning about North Carolina history. And they're able to connect with that history and understand that those that went before them had some experiences that helped them carve the niche in working with the land.
It gives me joy to see people learn, and when the kids come and the things that we're able to teach them about history. So it's just a special place to be.
Well, the importance of a site like this, as I've said, is just to stay in touch with our past. If we don't have places like this that stay open that we can actually go see and touch and feel and get the sense of how life was.
It's important that we don't lose these type of historic places so that we don't lose the history of what these people did and what kind of foundation they laid for us and what we have had to build on for today.
Fort Defiance is located at 1792 Fort Defiance Drive in Lenoir. A small admission fee is charged. For more information, call 828-758-1671 or visit their website at fortdefiancenc.org.